This 2015 Grand Design Solitude X-Series 320X is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, microwave, TV, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Grand Design Solitude X-Series 320X is 11,580 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.